We have a rare sighting. Hit those keyboards.
Well, right now I'm typing the email.
Typing email?
I can't find this guy's email address.
Is this top secret?
Yeah, it is. Matt, edit that
This
out.
is a POV.
Woo! I'm about to send out the J2 race car.
J2. What are those files? What are those files?
You see that?
Uh-oh.
See that?
Uh-oh. Let's see what you got. Utensils here. We have scissors. There's that cup you have all your booze in. We know you drank while you're at work. I've seen it.
Serious all the time. Metro Big Race Team. Who cares?
You have stamps, a staple gun. We don't really staple anything, but we shoot staples at each other. Did I ever tell you how good you look in that shirt today?
Thank you. Do you like it?
Sporting the Agassiz.
It's one of my.
That's an Agassiz t-shirt.
It's one of my good buddies. Do you know him? This is Dylan in his natural habitat.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, man, how are you?
What can I help you with?
Crown Vic roll cage kits.
Crown Vic roll cage kits. Yeah. Pretty hot eye right now.
Yeah. You heard it here first from Dylan.
I have loaded the car up and brought it across town because it is going to get the roll cage put in, steering wheel put on, seat installed. Trent Wynn that works up at J2, he's hooking me up with all that. So we're gonna get it unloaded, get it in the shop. It is Tuesday night. Just got a text from Trent. He is done with my car. So, gonna jump in the truck, head across town to his shop, pick the car up, get it back home. It took about a week. Totally respectable. He did a lot of work. We are back with the car. It is 7:30. I'm not gonna do anything tonight, but give you guys a look at it. Got some windshield bars going on. Here's the cage, battery box. I'm relocating my battery from the engine compartment to behind the seat. Got a seat kit as well that we bought to mount the seat. The bars go way inside these doors, so they had to cut out the inner doors on this side. Maybe you can see a little better there. So they cut the inner doors out of the driver's side to get that cage to fit in there. They didn't have to do it on passenger side. Ready to get back to work. Had a nice little week off from her. Now it's on me. So all I've done before you guys joined me here is I just vacuumed up the rest of the trash that from them doing their work. I'm gonna take that parking brake stuff out and the hood latch and all that out and clean those wires up under the steering column. We actually have official rules now. These are the official rules for Lebanon I-44 Speedway Crown Vic class. If you wanna see these, you can actually go on my Facebook or Outlaw Racing's Facebook or Lebanon I-44 Speedway's Facebook, and you can see these rules too if you're curious. I wasn't quite sure what I was gonna do here, and I've been hanging on to this piece because it's what mounts the gauge cluster. I don't need that now. Aaron said he was going to allow us to build dashes to put gauges and stuff. So I've tied up all of the wiring. I'm gonna have Dusty come over and we're gonna look at making a dash that'll come out. He'll have to go through them windshield bars or something or stop there, but then have it come out and down and maybe around some of this. And then I'll put my switches, my ignition. I'd like to get a couple gauges to put in there. This is the tilt lever. I don't ever want to tilt it again. I want it all the way down. So I just unscrewed it and took it out. Okay, so this turn signal switch, I think that's the plug for it. The way, the whole deal could probably come off there, I would think. hood pins and trunk pins. There's a hole already where they had them twist in. I wonder if I couldn't just spin it around. I thought summer was over and it's like 90 degrees today. And also, I know there's probably a correct way to do this, so make fun of me in the comments. Seems to work pretty good to me. These race car drivers, they all rivet stuff like crazy. Y'all are like rivet happy. I guess that's what you do here. Maybe drill little holes and put some rivets in. These rivets might be too long considering that bottomed out like that. Maybe. Take that plastic off there. Oh God, look how shiny. I'm thinking a pneumatic rivet gun is in my future if I'm gonna continue to race cars. So ready for the freaking hot weather to leave. Good Lord, enough. Shut up and go inside. Oh, no. Stubborn. So here's where we're at. Got her stripped down pretty good. Ready to take the AC condenser pump thingy, that thing. That don't need to be in here anymore, I don't think. And then I can get a smaller belt to exclude that. This all looks pretty good though. I mean, really I'm just getting stuff out of the way and I can drop that radiator back in and get it all hooked back up. It ain't really that big a deal. I thought this was gonna be a lot more of a job than it is. I'm not lying, guys. I've been doing this for like, I know I look all sweaty. I've probably been working on this under the hood for 2 hours tonight. And in 2 hours, I pulled off the hood, both fenders, airbox, radiator, condenser, fan, cluster, both inner fenders, heat and air stuff, battery box, washer fluid, reservoir, AC stuff. So I'm really close. I did have somebody give me a tip to put this wiring on the inside of the core support and fenders. The way Ford had it, it runs on the outside of the fender and across the front here, and then down the outside of this fender. I was told to move it inside. That way, if you get some damage, you're not gonna be pinching a bunch of wires in this harness. It's a pretty good tip. Nick, thanks for that tip. But while I'm in here, this is the time to try to change this steering linkage thingy, which is this guy. This would be the time to do this because you can get to it pretty much. And then I gotta lower that column. Maybe we can do all that column stuff like the same time. Anyway, I'm tired, hot, sweaty, and I want a beer. I'm going inside. Oh, I did hear back from the wrap guy. Check this out. He did send me this. We shall see. Anyway, see you later, bye.